Hi guys, I'm Techify, welcome back to this video. Today I want to show you how you can easily delete a subscribed calendar from your iPhone or iPad with iOS 13 or above. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Passwords and Accounts. Now select the Subscribed Calendars account. From this page, you will see the full list of your subscribed calendars. Click on one of those, and then once you reach this page, just click on Delete Account button, and click again on Delete Account. Perfect! Now you can close this page and you have fully deleted your subscribed calendar. As always, I hope that you found this simple video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon, so you never miss a new upload from me. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.